Hey traders, welcome to November 25th, Friday. Before I continue, today was, your business as usual in terms of the markets. We pushed the new all-time highs, both in SPX cash or S&P cash, and of course futures. And it's one of those things where, if you're not, if you can't beat them, you join them, right? So the most important thing today would be our Black Friday deals, and there's been a lot of people who've been taking advantage of these deals. So I hope that this video will at least explain some of these things. The flyer is there, and people have been taking advantage of clicking on the contact button there and asking us questions about whichever one these are. So we are here to help you where we can. I do want to re-emphasize that these are non-refundable and of course not transferable. So just want to make sure that you are very aware of that before your purchase. Want to make sure you're happy. So first off, the class light bundle. So this is a class where it's basically a 3-hour class on every security type. So this bundle basically covers stocks, futures, and forex. So it's 3 hours per type. So a total of 9 hours. Traditionally, they cost $999 each, so about 3,000, right? So you're saving about $500 on this. The trader class is one of the more comprehensive classes we have that typically covers the whole gamut of the things that we do. Now, we've basically grayed that out for now because there have actually been people who actually ordered it and then they got a little confused. So we would prefer, if you were looking to go into trader class, this is a 16-hour class, which takes a while, but we do go over a lot of things, and it's built for people who have had some experience in the markets and you want to learn more and definitely learn our technique. So again, this is usually costs $4,500. It's 3,000. Again, $1,500 savings there. The investment class is for people who are extremely passive investors. Basically, you want to understand better how to invest in the market. It's not confined only to the U.S. stock market. It is applicable. All the concepts taught are is applicable to any stock market in the world. It doesn't matter even if you're trading the Nigerian stock market. The concepts are simple and easy. Again, it's a quick 3-hour class. We've made these classes as extremely simple as possible so that we cut out a lot of the fat and made it as concise and as clear. Because again, nobody has time to waste when it comes to learning. At the same time, we understand that after like maybe 4 or 5 hours, people just start to doze off when you're trying to learn something. Um, the stocks and options earnings class. This is the class for people who want to properly trade earnings season. So if you want to know how to trade via options or stocks, this is how we teach people how we trade it. We've been able to do very well with earnings. So the last earnings season was really good, whether it was Google or Amazon. So again, you're saving $100 on this class. This other class has been one of the most popular, and this one here is the introduction to options and advanced spread. So you have an option. You basically have a choice whether you want to learn from a stock perspective or a futures perspective, because futures and stocks do have options. It gives you a good grounding in options, as well as teaching you spreads like iron condors and all those debit and credit spreads. The options class intro, so on its own, if you just don't want to go into advanced stuff yet and you just want to go into the intro stuff, this is pretty good. Again, typically it costs about $1,000. You're saving $400 in this one. And of course, if you've already learned this and you want to learn the advanced spreads ops class, it's basically $100 less with that. Our most popular so far is the class light, which a lot of people have actually gone with ES, so the S&P 500 futures trading class. So again, this is one of my most popular because again, everybody trades the ES anyway. So it's something to always consider if you are interested. If you want to go for a full meal deal every year, the subscription, all our trade signals and ideas and everything, it's about 2 grand now for the year. Those of you who missed out on signing up a couple of weeks ago, I mean, it used to be like 1,500 or something, or 150 a month, either way. Again, cost rise and all that stuff. So I hope that this video will help you guys understand and choose wisely. If you still have questions, again, just hit this contact button here and we'll be more than happy to help you. These do expire today at midnight Pacific time, right? So you only have one day. After that, these Black Friday sales are gone. Can't really be sure what we'll have for Christmas, but I doubt it will be as as reduced as this. All right. So thank you to all of you who have shown interest and those of you who have actually purchased. Wish you guys a wonderful weekend and take care. And I'll talk to you guys soon.